See Standard 10th Maths, Chapter 2, Numbers and Sequences. Exercise 210, 1 mark questions. First question, equidivision lemma states that for positive integers a and b, there exists unique integers q and r such that a is equal to pq plus r, where r must satisfy. See here, when you take the any two positive integer a and b, there exists the unique integers. We divide a by q. A and b are two positive integers. We divide a by q. So the quotient you are getting is p, b. So this a, I divide by b. The quotient part I am getting q. So the remainder I am getting r. So that they are given the condition for r. So this r should be less than b, first condition, less than b. If it's more than b means you will get in the quotient. So it should be less than b, and also it may be equal to 0. Greater than 0 or equal to 0. So here the option C. Option C. Second question, using Euclid division lemma, if the cube of any positive integer is divided by 9, then the possible remainders are. So using Euclid division lemma, the cube of any positive integer divided by 9. So let me take the positive integers, some integers I divide. That is cube of 1 cube. 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. So if I divide this by 9, we divide this by 9. If I divide by 9, I am getting again 1 only. So this is congruent to 1 mod 9. I divide 2 cube value is 8. So if I divide this by 9 mod 9, I am getting again, I will get the remainder as 8 because it is less than 8. Take 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. If I divide this by 9 mod 9, so the remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Take 4 cube. 4 cube is equal to 64. So you divide by 9. 9 sevens are 63 mod 9. So remainder is 1. Then 5 cube. This is 125. This is congruent to mod 9. If I divide this by 9, I am getting the remainder 8. Take 6 cube also. 6 cube is 216. So if I divide by 9 mod 9, so this is congruent to 0 mod 9. See, look at the remainder. They are asking for you reminders. Look at the reminders. 1, 8, 0 only repeating. So see the option A. Option A. Next question. If the HCF of 65 and 117 is expressible in the form of 65m minus 117, then the value of m is. The HCF of 65 and 117. So find the HCF of 117 first. 65 and 117. See, if I divide this by 5, this will not go. See, here the common divisor is 13. 13 in 65 it goes 5 times. And in 117 it goes here 9 times. So the HCF is HCF of 65 and 117 is 13. So this HCF is expressed in the form of 65m minus 117. So 65m minus 117. This is equal to 13. So what is m? So 65m is equal to 13 plus 117 that is equal to 130. So m is equal to 130 divided by 65. It goes here 2 times. So the value of m is 2. Option B. See the next question. The sum of the exponents of the prime factors in the prime factorization of 1729. Prime factorization. First you do the prime factorization of 1729. So first number I can divide with the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. So here it does not go 2 and also 3. You add the digit, it does not go in 3 because adding 19 you are getting, it does not come in 3 and also it does not end up with 0 and 5. So it will not go in 5. Divide by 7. 7. 2 sevens are 14. Remainder 3. 4 sevens are 28. Remainder 4. Then 7 sevens are 49. Then next prime number you try with the, see in 11 it does not go. So you try with the 13. 13 1 times it goes. Remainder 11. So it will go 19 times here. 117, so 19 times. So 19 is again a prime number, it goes 1 time. So this 1729 I express as a prime factor 7 into 13 into 19. See all are repeated only once. The degree is 1. They are asking you to find the sum of the exponents. See the power. Exponents is degree. So 1, here 1 plus 1. This is equal to answer 3. See, look at the option C. Option C. Next question. The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10. Least number, that is LCM of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 to 10, 10, up to 10. So you find the LCM of this number. So what is the LCM of this natural numbers 1 to 10? First I divide by 2. So it goes here 1 time. 3, 2 2s are 4, 5. 3 2s are 6, 7. 4 2s are 8, 9. 5 2s are 10. 2. 1, 1, 3, 1, 5, 3, 7. 2 2s are 4, 9, 5. Then you try for 3. 3. So 3, it goes here 1 time. Here just 5 as it is, it comes here 1 time. 7. Then 2. Here 3 3s are 9, 5. So likewise, if you divide this, you will get the factors as again one more 2 you are getting. See, no common factors. So how many 2s you are getting? 2 cube. 2 cube. And how many 3s you are getting? 2 3s. Here factorization, here 1 3 square. And if I divide this by 5, I will get 1 5. So 5, then 7. So if you multiply, you will get the answer as here 2520. 2520. So this is the LCM of these numbers. So the answer option is D. Option D. See the sixth sum. 7 power 4k is congruent to dash mod 100. 7 power 4k. We don't know the value of k. So just I take the exponents as 7 power 4 the whole power k. What is the value of 7 power 4? 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 2401 power 4. This is congruent to, you divide this 2401 by 100. So take out all hundreds, you will get the remainder 1. That is power k, 1 power k. So anything power 1, so you will get the answer as 1 power anything, you will get answer as 1. So this is congruent to 7 power 4k is congruent to 1 mod 100. So the answer is option A, 1. See the next question, 7th question. Given f1 is 1, f2 is 3 and fn is fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2, then f5 is actually this sequence is called the Fibonacci sequence. They given first two terms in the sequence. You have to find the third term. So if you find the third and fourth only, you can get the answer for 5. So let me get f3 first. f3 is, n is 3. So n minus 1, that is 2. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 plus 3. So here 1 plus 3, this is equal to 4. Then take f4. f4 is 4 minus 1, f3 plus 4 minus f2. So f3 is 4 and f2 given 3. This is equal to 7. Now find f5. f5 is equal to, substitute in the formula, f4 plus f3. So f4 is 7 plus f3 is 4. That is equal to 11. The fifth term of the sequence is 11. See, eighth sum. The first term of an arithmetic progression is unity. And the common difference is 4. Which of the following will be the term of this AP? See, in AP, the first term is given as 1. The common difference is 4. So in that case, you will get the sequence as that difference is added. 1. Next will be 5. Then 9. 9 plus 4, 13 and so on. See, all these terms you are getting when you remove this 4. You will get remainder 1. See, from 5 I remove 4, you will get remainder 1. From 9 to 4, 4s are 8, remainder 1 and so on. 13 also, 3 4s are 12, remainder 1. It's not multiple, but see, added 1. But we are, when you remove all multiples of 4, I am getting the remainder 1 in this sequence. So if these terms are to be the term in this sequence, when I divide this by 4, I have to get the remainder 1. So you just look at this, 4551. 1 times it goes, 1 times carry over 1, 3 4s are 12, 31, it does not give the remainder 1 and so on. See, you take the number 7881, 1 4s are 4, 8 4s are 32, 6 remainder, and then 48, then remainder 4, take this multiple of, see, 1 4s are 4, remainder 3, then 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are, see, 1 4s are 4, then 9 4s are 36, remainder 4 8s are 28, remainder 1. So this term gives you the remainder 1 when I remove all 4s in this terms. So in that case, this is the term of the AP. Next question. If 6 times the 6th term of an AP is equal to 7 times the 7th term, then the 13th term of an AP. In AP, 6 times the 6th term, 7 times the 7th term. Question is, what is the 13th term? What is the 13th term of this? So 6 times the 6th term, that is 6 into, 6 term, a plus 5d. 7 times the 7th term, a plus n minus 1, so 6d. Simplify this, 6a plus 30d is equal to 7a plus 42d. Take this 6a to the other side, 30 to the other side, 7a minus 6a, this is equal, for plus 42d minus 30d is equal to 0. 7a minus 6a is a, plus 12d is equal to 0. So this is your 13th term. So the 13th term is equal to 0. The 13th term is equal to 0. See, the option 0 gives you the option A. Option A. See the next question. See the next question. In an AP, the first term is 1 and the common difference is 4. How many terms of the AP must be taken for their sum to be equal to 120? See, what are they given? First term is 1, A is 1, and then the common difference is 4. Then sum of n terms is 120. So question, how many terms are taken to get the sum as 120? How to find what is n? So take the given one, Sn formula, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This sum is 120. You substitute the values, you have to find n alone, n by 2. 2 into 1 is 2 plus n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 120. So n by 2. So just you multiply this, simplify this. You will get here n by 2. You take this 2 to the other side. 2 into 2 plus 4n minus 4 is equal to 2 into 120, 240. So n into 4n minus 2 is equal to 240. I take off this, see here, 4n square minus 2n. You bring this 240 to this side. 240 is equal to 0. So common divisor is 2 here. So let me write here 2n squared minus n minus 120 is equal to 0. So you solve this, you will get the answer as n is equal to 8. Just 120 is 240 and then you solve this, you will get n as 8. So option C. See the next question. See the next question. If A is 2 power 65 and B is the series 2 power 64 plus 2 power 63 plus 2 power 62 plus dot 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 2 power 0. Which of the following is true? A. B is 2 power 64 more than A. A and B are equal. B is larger than A by 1. A is larger than B by 1. First, let us simplify the given terms. See here, they given A is 2 power 65. You keep this as it is just. And B they given us 2 power 64 plus 2 power 63 plus 2 power 62 plus dot 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 plus 2 power 0. Just you write reverse. 2 power 0 first you write, then 2 power 1, 2 power 2 dot 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 2 power 64. So what is this 2 power 0? 2 power 0 is 1. A is 1. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, so R is 2, common ratio is 2. Actually, the number of terms are here 2 power 64, it starts from 0, so number of terms are 65. So write the sequence. B is equal to, the formula is A R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. A is 1, 2 power n is 65 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So this is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2 power 65 minus 1. So B is equal to 2 power 65 minus 1. But 2 power 65 they given as A. So A minus 1. So therefore B, bring this minus 1 to the left side. B plus 1 equal to A. So A is 1 more than B. A is larger than B by 1. This is option D. Option D. See the next question. The next term of the sequence 3 by 16, 1 by 8, 1 by 12, 1 by 18 dot dot dot. So you have to find the next sequence. Actually, when you look at the sequence itself, it is a GP sequence. In GP actually. Find the common ratio first. A is 3 by 16. Common ratio is second term by first term. So 1 by 8 into 16 by 3. So 8 here it goes 2 times 2 by 3. You find for one more term R is equal to the third term 1 by 12 by 1 by 8. So 1 by 12 into 8 by 1. So 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. Again you are getting 2 by 3. So the common ratio is 2 by 3. So we multiply 2 by 3 with each term, we will get the sequence. So the last term 1 by 18, I multiply with 2 by 3. So 2 here it goes here 9 times. So 1 by 9 3s are 27. So the next term of 1 by 18 is 1 by 27. Option B. Next sum. If the sequence T1, T2, T3 dot dot are in AP, and then the sequence T6, T12, T18 is dash. See, a geometric progression, arithmetic progression, neither of this a constant sequence. See, in an AP sequence, we get that 1, 2, 3. First term, second term, third term. Here the sequence is 6th term, 12th term, 18th term, dot dot. See the suffix of these terms. Here 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. Added. 6 is adding. Common difference is added. So it is an arithmetic progression. So the suffix is added by the common difference 6. So it is an arithmetic progression. Option B. See the next question. The value of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube dot 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 15 cube minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 15. So what is the value of this? See, actually cube is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So 15 into 16 by 2 the whole square minus 15 into 16 by 2. So that is, if you cancel here 8 times 8 into 15, 120 square minus 120. So 120 squared, this is equal to 11400 minus 120. If you subtract, you will get 14280. So 14,280. See, 120 squared is 20, you add 12 squared is 144. If you subtract this, so this is option C. Option C. See the 10th sum I left for here for you. So in AP consists of 31 terms. There are 31 terms. If its 16th term is M, then the sum of all the terms is. So it is an AP. In AP, See, 31 terms are given. So, number of terms is 31. And the 16th term they given us m. That is a plus 16 minus 1 is 15d is equal to m. Question. The sum of all the terms in AP, that is S31 you have to find. So what is S31? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, 30d. You have to find the sum of this. So n by 2, n is here 31. You substitute n as 31 here. Take 2 outside. So a plus 15d. But what is a plus 15d? M. 2 cancel. So 31 into m. That is 31m. The sum is 31m. See option C. Okay, see with that the 1 mark question from chapter 2 is completed. See, just you can go through and get the value of this. Thank you.